How to register as a Uber driver in Canada. Now all you have to do first is just head directly to your laptop or from your mobile phone and head directly to uber.com/ca. Now before you create an account, you'll have to check if your vehicle is going to be eligible for delivery. So these are their requirements. So your vehicle must have at least a four-door vehicle, 10 years or newer, 2013 vehicle model year and newer, good condition with no cosmetic damage, no commercial and or overbranding, no salvaged or rebuilt vehicles, and pass a vehicle inspection by a licensed mechanic. So you'll need to comply on a vehicle inspection first before you can go ahead and check if your vehicle is going to be eligible. So if you visit this site, you can go ahead and click this option right here that says see the list of eligible vehicles or cars. Now once everything is set up, all you have to do is visit again the uber.com/ca and go ahead and sign up with your account. So you'll just have to provide necessary documents specifically for your vehicle and yours for you to be able to pass and be approved for being a delivery driver in Uber. So once you have passed the requirements, you will be given out an Uber sticker for a official delivery driver. So that's it. Those are the things that you need to check first so that you will be able to register as a Uber driver in Canada.